True and false in Python can be reassigned to false and true respectively. I think I just witnessed something really scary and hard to digest. So in my projects I came across this beautiful piece of code. From core defaults import false, true. After looking into the core defaults module I saw this. But then it raised a question that when Python gives default true and false, why would anyone evaluate the value of true and false and then assign to such variables? But then I got a hunch that the only reason anyone would do is if those values can be reassigned. So I tried the following. Is this behavior normal? Is this the way it's supposed to be implemented? Why not make it non-editable? Is this a security risk when using Python, or is it the same with other languages too? Any clever way of making it more non-editable, like any built-in I need to override? How do I fall asleep tonight? I'm using Python 2.6.6. Edit 1. So can we use 0 and 1 instead of false and true instead? I think it's more fail-proof though.
In Python 2, true and false are built-in constants. You are quite right about it not being safe. But Python doesn't actually have constants, so to make it impossible to assign a different value, they need to be keywords. True and false are keywords in Python 3, but it would have been disruptive to add these new keywords to Python 2.
Borgul's answer is mostly correct but incomplete. The built-in bool type and built-in false and true were added in one of the 2.2.z releases. This was before the no new features in maintenance releases rule. Indeed, the confusion engendered by the mid-version edition is one of the reasons for the rule. Before this edition, people who wanted to use false and true had to write something like the following near the top of their code. Making false and true uneditable keywords would have broken existing code. That would indeed have been disruptive. After the addition, people could optionally edit their code too. In order, when running with newer 2.x releases, to have false and true be bools, and print as false and true instead ins printing as 0 and 1. In 3.0, when most people had dropped support for 2.2 and before, and hence no longer needed the assignment alternative, false and true were made keywords.